Cause who? You already know it's your boy Mr. Bossed Up back in the building. And I'm here with another one, another headbanger for you, another Bossed Up Monday Motivation. This is Monday Motivation right now. It's basically based on a lot of you guys that be falling by the wayside. Nah, let me stop. Let me stop. Honestly, in this Bossed Up Motivation, I want to talk about the people that you surround yourself with, the distractions, the scrolling through Facebooks. All of these things are distractions for you not to hit your purpose and hit your goal. I was caught up with a little distraction last week. Week before that. Oh, I was messing. Hey, I got some distractions. But I'm here to tell you that that's what it is. It's only a distraction. Nobody can stop you from what you want to do. It pains me so much to not pursue what I intend to pursue, because I have to pursue other things that basically will make me stay alive and live. I'm talking about making money. I'm talking about doing things that you never thought you can do. It's all the friends that you have. I'm telling you, they don't mean you no good. They don't mean you no good. All the years that's been going by, what have you accomplished in these years with your friends? Those are the first things that started dropping off my list as I started getting older. I never was really like a hangout, you know. I was when I was younger. I was always outside. But I don't like big crowds and stuff, because you never know what the hell's going to happen. You don't never know who's going to hit you upside the head. I don't trust nobody. Too many people, can't trust all of y'all niggas. I'm sorry. So I don't be in them crowds. I'm sorry, I don't like crowds. "2025 has been rough for me, just like it's been rough for you. But I'm telling you, most of you guys' problems is Facebook. You digital creators. Some of you guys gonna make money. Some of you guys is just gonna make a couple bucks. And then the rest of you guys is gonna be like, how? And that's how some of you are right now watching me. How? Yes, some of them are making $6,000, $5,000. I don't know them. I just be seeing posts just like you. I don't believe it. However, I've been a marketer for almost a decade. Facebook have never done nothing like this. Facebook is doing some team effort situation. That's what they doing. When we was doing team effort situations, it was basically a lot of us doing the team work. A lot of us. And Facebook was just pushing us out. Now, it's a little bit different. You gotta be a sucker, and you gotta go inside the groups, and you gotta be saying all kinds of weird stuff just so people get, you know. I done commented on people, people hit me in the inbox, be like, man, it's only a post. Be like, then why you posting? So it don't make no sense to me. I ain't gonna lie to you, it don't make no sense. But if you're gonna use this to make money off of Facebook, I say team up with me, and I can show you how to turn your friends into an ATM. It's very easy. It's very easy. You guys got the points in the groups. You guys got the followers right now following you. You guys are lit. So the only thing you really need is a marketer like me. that can really actually show you the ropes and give you the tools to make you do what you do. Straight up. Your friends are sitting there talking behind your back. I don't know about you, but I don't really have no friends like that. Most of my peoples that, let's just say I would have been cool with, they was cut from the other side of the cloth. So from day one, since technology, we wasn't clicking. Because it's just now a passing acquaintance. We're good, but it's not how it should have been. I'm left out. But it's okay. Because all of my friends is online. The ones that support me, the ones that buy stuff from me. I have met thousands of people that say, hey, my family says it's a scam. They won't believe in you. Only you gonna believe in you. When you realize that, that's when your life gonna start changing. My life been changing. That's why I ain't in jail now. People say things out their mouth, but I be like, do you really mean it? Like, for instance, I'm gonna give you a prime example. I'm a Muslim. I say, La ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. What does that mean? What does that mean? That means there's no deity worthy of worship except the one true Allah, the one true God, the one true, I don't know how to speak Spanish, but Dios, yeah, the one true one, the God of Abraham. And Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was his final messenger and prophet to the world. You will have people that say this out of their mouth. But when the time comes for them to really practice this, Allah will send them a test. And they will have these dots over the heart, which will make it hard. Where water, it's like water can't pass over it because it's so hard it won't absorb. Your heart won't absorb. When the test comes, you can see it clearly. Who is on the path of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I'm not perfect. I made many mistakes. But I'm going to tell you this. Certain mistakes is very avoidable. Yes, it is. Very avoidable. You want me to give you an example? It's like eating pork. Thank God I haven't met a Muslim that eats pork yet. But, let's just say there is one. What we going to do? Now, look, at the end of the day, I'm here to teach you, motivate you. Don't worry about your friends. Don't worry about the scrolling. Don't worry about the distractions that want to come and try to take you out of your zone and make you do things that you don't want to do because that's not where your focus is on. And if you feel like a chump, oh well, you got to just feel like a chump. I damn sure feel like a chump right now, but you know what? I'd rather take it because at the end of the day, while they sitting there doing this and doing that, my bank account's sitting there piling up. While everybody is actually losing their income, I'm actually gaining income because they're not following what's going on. I told you, the United States of America, it's not a country. It's built on a corporation. Now, that's the game I'm going to give you. You figure it out. If you can't figure this out, then hey, I'm going to see you by the wayside at 2030, 2035. I'm going to be packed up. Trust that. I'm going to be packed up. You know what I mean? I got the BossedUpBuilder.com. Yo, listen. It's live right now. Y'all going to see some things this week? Tap in. All right? I'm studying. I got a whole lot of things I want to show you guys, but I can't right now. Listen. Full automation. on Team Boss stuff. If you really want the real deal on how to make money online, I don't care what niche you in, and all of you creators, get with me. You're bugging. I'm telling you. Get with me. Let me show you how to turn your friends into an ATM. That's double the payment. Facts. On that note, man, gotta keep this shit short. We're gonna keep it pushing. I really wanna say something, man. I'm gonna keep it pushing though. Already. Boss up! Or continue to get bossed around, cause you know I'm bossed up to live a good life. Already. Peace out.